Hi guys, it's day number 3 and it's the last day, and this morning we had already our lingering exercises, and next we're going to have breakfast and we will proceed to the last activity, which is the scavenger, which I don't know what it's about. Full storage na ako.
Oh my god. We're now preparing for the scavenger. I think I really like the outfit today. And, may pasok mga po. Di bag. Di na ako sa... Bigay ka bag nyo. Wala, isitin, di ba rin nakabag. Kabak. Kabak, yung pasok mo. Magtagili ka. Yes! Yes!
Pagawa naman, kasa na ha? Daya mo. Pangano de? Pangano de? Ay di.
Di, ano to yung talaga kinipangasok ko sa lagay.
Pakiko! Baga! Pagkano baga?
Ako lang kikikita sa layo-layo.
Ako ganon!
Tapos ako punta sa patikan.
Gaya ganyan na.
Tingin. Yeah!
Wala na kami dyan ako. Okay lang yan. May sugat kasi ako sa paa. Atakot na lang kami dyan. Survive.
Three, go!
Payapa tayo, peaceful tayo. Payapa, payapa, payapa.
Team Payapa, bigyan niyo ako ng beat! Team Payapa!
Oh, nandito na kami, nilalaban na ng patas. Nandito na ang Team Payapa.
Yes po, kuya! Sana all!
Ang galing. Bawal na yung kamay.
Fifth station done! Another.
Yes, meron pa talaga. Ano to?
Dito kami. Sige lang, diyan ka lang. Hawak lang. Hindi ka magpapasok. Ang tawag ko. Sige lang, hawak niyo lang. Wait lang sana. Kita niyo na. Go guys!
Hi! Katotong na naman guys. This is after the ilang station? 13 stations. Very, very black.
Facilitators and fellow participants, teacher chaperones, good afternoon. The Municipal Science and Vicom 2025 has been an inspiring and eye-opening experience that left a lasting mark on me as a student and a young advocate for the environment. Throughout the camp, I was able to gain not only knowledge about environmental conservation, sustainability, and scientific innovation, but also a deeper sense of responsibility toward protecting our planet. The activities were both educational and engaging. From the first discussion, mangrove planting to team building activities that built unity and cooperation among participants. I especially appreciated how the camp encouraged us to think critically about real-world issues and to develop creative solutions using science and teamwork. What made this experience even more meaningful was the opportunity to connect with my fellow youth who share the same passion for learning and environmental stewardship. The camp strengthened my belief that even small actions, when done collectively, can make a big difference. Additionally, the first day of getting to know each other was inevitably enjoyable as we encountered new young individuals who share the same passion and urged us to give love and care for the environment. Moreover, the last night of this camp was so meaningful as we gave time to ourselves to reflect. I am truly grateful to the organizers, facilitators, and mentors who made this camp possible. The lessons and memories I gained here will continue to inspire me to be an active participant in promoting environmental awareness in my community. Truly, the Municipal Science Environmental Camp 2025 was an event that carried us to a journey of discovery, learning, and empowerment. Respectfully, Princess Cadet Suniga from Bugan National High School, participant of the Municipal Science Invite Camp 2025.
Goes to Buga National High School.
Silakbong! Kami silakbong! Kami ang bida! Sa kalibutan kami maasahan! Yes, o kami para sa kapunuan! Angin, tubig, tanong, batayan! Silakbong! Lagusan laban! Silakbong! Walang tatalo! Yes, o power! Basta sa dulo! Ayun! Oy, bana. Oy, guys! Champion! Champion!
Sakay na. Okay, alam mo na ngayon. Oh, yan na. Yay! Tayo uwi na. Alright, let's go! Pasa the boat to the Titan. Naman Titan. Okay, ako nga pala, Titan dito. Okay. Okay na yan. Okay. daw kay Patrick. Dami. Hindi mo nakikicopyright. Pwede naman kaya ano. Nagtatampo kaya si Patrick. Kaya kikihawa sa rilyakan. Hindi naman kami nagsisiryakan. Kaya magayong daw rodaan. Talaga. I mean, ano, sarita. Sarita, Trick. Hindi mo talaga, Trick. Yeah, di mo talaga. Hindi na ako erga tayo sa mga taong ito eh. Bye, sir. Thank you po! Malabuga! Bye po! Bye po! Thank you, ma'am. Hawakan niyo muna. Uli na kami. Uli na kami. Pasahan. Bravo talaga. Okay guys. Uuwi na kami guys. Dalawang dagit ng mga bakla. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Bye po. Yes, nakapit. Aray ko. Tapos biglang agkapaiyan na no? Daman. Bang naman yan. Naka 0.5 mo pre. Naka-ikot ako. Alright. Pre, home sweet home. Ang sito, nag-uuran no. Bangis. Essential pre. Talent na. Ako di mapisa ako ta. Magagaw. Ay, naman ha. Yang stana. Naglulubog kaya. Tsara mo yang stana pre oh. Pre, yang stana. Amo na ka-birthday ni Pat. Amo na ka-birthday ni Pat. Amo na may nangyayari na. Ha? Kaawat ng aking damdamin.